Thanks for tuning in and checking out our channel. I know there's a lot of Rise of the Resistance videos out there, but we're taking a little bit different approach with our video. As most of you know, during this ride you're going to come into contact with two full-size AT-ATs. What you may not know is that there's two different alternate routes that the ride may take you on by those AT-ATs. One is from the front and the other is from the side. This video will show you both perspectives of that ride. The other thing that's changed with the ride is that due to the pandemic, Disney has placed a plexiglass divider between the front seat of the car and the back seat of the car. The plexiglass divider removes you from the experience, so do all you can to get in the front row and not be stuck behind that plexiglass divider. I've also included two different viewpoints of the pod escape scene. One from the front row and one from the second row. On the second row shot, I actually held the camera out to the side of the vehicle just so that you weren't blocked by the plexiglass, but it does give you an idea of what it's like to sit in the back. So without further ado, let's get on with the ride. Yeah.
Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IT's cockpit.
Your BBA?
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Bolton and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Jet doors opening now.
All recruits to report. No need to take the guns in the back. All green guns in the back. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Yeah, we're supposed to be there, but she made a mistake. Perfect. You need to pay attention when they tell you directions.
Go, Alex. Let's go. Green, Alex.
That's better. Check the binary motivator.
Here?
Yes, I just woke. There more. Good. Open a hyperdrive. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on.
What's behind us now?
Ships, launch.
Good movement.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we're gonna clear the path so transport can make the jump.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw that way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
We're going
This
into
is
there.
TR-141. We are a civilian vessel.
They're pulling us
By
in.
whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum.
They're pulling us in.
Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Tell them the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Look over here.
Of the Resistance under direct orders of General Parks. You're to exit the ship at once to interrogation for further processing. Well, that means get off the ship. Quickly with you.
Look, Alex. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Are those actual people in those seats?
No, the robots. Wow, that's a real person. Whoa. Whoa. Ow. Isn't that cool? What's that?
The Avatar ride is this these are love packets to come and
3.
Three this way. Behind this two here. Single file. Come in, you'll through two. Forward in secondary line. Single file. Forward down by there.
Listen closely, sympathizers. How many do you have? How many here?
3.
You go to red. How many? Silver. How many here?
Chicas.
Gotta be in character. Alright. What color are we? Red?
Whoa.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Oh.
Is everyone alright?
Yep.
With the resistance, we're gonna rescue. Here, keep you coming over. You can be the front, I think, we'll carry you three right behind you. Let's move. You two, you can be the front, I think, on the back side.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Reservation, detention lock 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detention to level D. There they are. Fire! Escape pods just follow us.
Man! Going a different way.
I said down.
Oh, look. Us going to a different side, a different view.
Turbo lift and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Oh, the prisoners.
Lock 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Yeah, that's how
Now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. I said down, up, and back. Pretty bad.
Oh, the guns are coming down. That's pretty cool.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods. The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is shorter than
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right. Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Scaffery's parking.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
If you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to check out some of the other content you may enjoy at the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in.